Hello, I saved from a scrapyard two interesting boards. They are single board computers, or what manual says PC card, with the 486 processor. And this is a bit newer with Pentium 233 MMX. I will run Windows and Doom on them. This is a full tower 80 case. I bought this computer when I was a teenager, more than 20 years ago. If you don't have a lot of space at home, but you want to build a vintage PC, you can use those single board computer boards. Well, about boards, there is IT connector, floppy connector, parallel port connector, CPU of course, IDO RAM, same I guess, and there are PS2 port, COM port, Ethernet and VGA port. These are PC104 compatible expansion port for connecting some PC104 compatible devices like PCMCI cards or AD converters. But this is probably COM port 2. This is a little bit newer. The ports are the same, except this have a compact flash header and a little bit different power connector. This basically can run every game and operating system what this processor is capable of, and I will run Windows 3.1 and Doom. I connected this newer board because the CPU have heatsink on it instead of this, and I also had a small idea by powering this SBC using this switching power supply. It is from a external hard drive USB reader, but it doesn't have enough power to do so. Not even talking about connecting hard drive to it in parallel. So I have a ATX power supply. We'll power it on. It's a wire. The card is up and running. I already have a, it's a Mediaga XMMX CPU at 233 MHz. I have already MS-DOS on a hard drive and will install Windows 3.1. We have recommended, let's say Win 3.1. New setup. I already have Windows, but 3.0, I guess. Vintage. I'm using trackball mouse from Logitech, also vintage, because I couldn't find any mouse with COM port, so I took this out from very deep storage. Continue. I put all installation files from floppy images in one folder, so the setup is like flying. Now I don't need a printer. Windows editor. What's that? Okay. No tutorial. Apple. Oh, it's rebooted wall PC. Nice. Yeah, I have Windows 3.11 and can play solitaire. Vintage setup is ready. I can also play Doom. Doom is my favorite. That was the first game I launched on my 486 PC. That's nice. Oh, run blood. I was in elementary school when my friend played Blood after school instead of doing something with me together. He said, "No, I'm busy, I have to go and play Blood." Where am I? Huh? I don't know how to play Blood. Okay, that's how to make a small, simple vintage computer. This might be put into a cool small case, and I think that it's easy to find some small switching power supplies that are capable of supplying enough power to HDD and the vintage SBC. I didn't say that those SBC are industrial PCs, and originally they were exactly those were used in phone switching made by WEF. WEF is stands for State Electromechanical or State Electrical Factory. They made phone switches in early 90s. That's where they were used. They were put into ISA slots, stacked a lot of them, and provided a computational power for the phone switches. You can put this into your PC ISA slot and have a PC in a PC. That's cool. Okay, thanks for watching and goodbye.